Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone the other, then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, then select settings, and here you've got blocked numbers. Just click on it, and now you can smoothly block all unknown callers if you would like to by tapping on this switcher. So from now on no stranger will be able to reach you, but I will switch off this mode. And then you can add some phone number that you would like to block, so you can either enter it by yourself and then just tap on plus. As you can see now, it's on your blacklist. You can also pick some from recents or from your contacts. Just pick contacts, and then for example, let me block Mickey. Click on done, and as you can see, it is also blocked. So then if you would like to remove some number from your blacklist, all you have to do is to tap on the minus icon, and that's it. Now those numbers will be able to reach you. So this is it. This is how you can block and unblock numbers in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.